Although the current generation Kia Niro has been available for a number of years in some markets, it was only launched in Australia earlier this year, and now there's an all-new version on the way in 2022. So what's the point of this version then? Well, the local division is basically testing the waters to see how our market reacts to it. It is a very important model though, because it is Kia's first exclusively electrified model line. You can only get it with a hybrid, plug-in hybrid, or as a fully electric car. Here we're testing the electric and plug-in hybrid models, both in flagship Sport trim. They all look pretty much the same. In fact, the front grille and wheels are probably the only giveaway between the different motor options. This electric version features 17-inch alloy wheels, wrapped in 215/55 tyres. The Niro shares a lot with the old Ioniq sedan and the Kona electric. But inside, the Niro is perhaps even more practical than both. We love the simplicity of the cabin layout. It's all very user-friendly and quite well equipped. Despite being a small SUV, passenger space is very impressive. The tall, upright cabin orientation provides heaps of headroom in particular, but there's also a good sense of airiness and a natural driving position. Rear seat space is a standout as well. The perched up seat allows your legs to drop down, and the extended roofline provides good headroom. It's great to see rear climate vents too, and cup and bottle holders. Boot space is outstanding for this class, and the EV variant actually offers more than the plug-in hybrid. You can fold down the rear seats for more room, although it does leave a step in the EV model, which could be annoying when sliding in big heavy objects. As for the motor system, this is the same 150 kilowatt unit that's found in the Kona electric. This is a serious amount of power for a small SUV, and so it probably comes as no surprise it is the quickest option in the Niro lineup. Over in the plug-in hybrid, this is an interesting one, because for us, if you're planning on recharging regularly, you might as well go with the full EV version. But on the other hand, if you're after sheer economy with none of that range anxiety that sometimes comes with EVs, then this is the way to go. The plug-in hybrid gets narrower 205 tyres, probably because it does not have to manage instant power and high torque like the electric version. Speaking of which, the PHEV blends a 1.6 petrol with a 44.5 kilowatt electric motor. All up, you have a modest 104 kilowatts. But at least it does come with a 6-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission and not a CVT, like many other hybrids out there. This is what they go like.